I didn't hear a voice this time. Just the sound of everything cracking at once. That's when I knew staying quiet was the problem. I've been pacing circles in my head, same four walls, same regrets. Every breath feel borrowed now, like I'm late to be myself. I tried to drown it out with sleep, but the silence kept talking back. Every thought hit like a warning sign, saying, you don't get this time back. I held it in till my chest felt tight, like a scream stuck in my throat. They said calm down, don't rock the boat, but that boat was already broke. Pressure makes noise when you bottle it up. I tried to stay small, but I'd had enough. I don't need permission, don't need a cause. I cracked under weight and became the force. Pressure makes noise, hear it hit the air. I won't fade out just to keep it fair. I didn't choose this voice in my bones, but I won't die quiet, no, not anymore. No, not anymore. I cut loose everything that lied, called it growth, called it time. Watch my past try to pull me back, like it owned what's left of my spine. They said careful, you'll lose yourself. I said I was already gone. If being numb was being safe, then I'd rather be wrong. Every scar started making sense, every loss drew a line. I stopped asking who I could be and chose who I wouldn't leave behind. Pressure makes noise, let it tear through the room. I won't shrink just to make it comfortable for you. I don't need crowns, don't need control, just won't bury what's burning in my soul. Pressure makes noise, hear the truth hit the floor. I'm not holding it back, not locking the door.